Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thomas from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of going over this gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute car. The beautiful body lines on the car. Everything seems to line up really nice all around the vehicle. Beautiful lipstick red, cherry red, however you want to call it. But it really turned out nice. The paint job can't be more than 2 years old. I mean, it's that nice, that sharp, that bright. So I'll continue to walk around the car for now. The stripes have been done nicely and clear coated as well. Nice, correct 1972 SS wheels on the car. Nice job on the stripes. So it's got the hood pins like the SS's have. It's got the 2-inch lifted hood, cowl induction. Some people say it's not a cowl induction because it doesn't have the flapper door, but it is a raised cowl induction hood in my opinion. Beautiful trim around all the bezels. See the gap line there in the hood and in the fender? It's really nice and straight. Excellent SS grille. Excellent front chrome bumper. Look at that crisp line. Really nice. All the emblems on the car are new. All the stainless around the windows. The glass is in really good condition. Side mirror. Door handles. Really nice condition. Rear stainless around the window is in good condition. Rear chrome bumper, excellent. It's just a little dust here. It's hard to keep these cars super clean. Guys, there's not a scratch on my car. Anywhere. Be very impressed with it. Okay, so we'll check out the interior. My Chevelle. It's got good door panels, beautiful, excellent door lips. We put the stainless steel trim around the door here to protect it. Nice, excellent door jambs. Newer door sill plates installed. Jams inside there look great. I got a bench seat, which is a factory bench seat. There's the rear seat there. All the seat belts are intact. Nice headliner. I ordered the lens for the dome light there. And the seat belts for the front seats are intact. SS steering wheel. It is a tilt wheel, okay. Nice headliner. Let me show you the other side. Here's the trunk. Both quarters have been professionally replaced. Look at the quality. Really clean and nice in here. Okay, passenger side. Looks great. There's your door jambs here, your door sill plates, and we'll fire it up. Okay, the Chevelle showing 99,614 miles. but the car's been rebuilt since then. All right, so basically a couple double pumps. There we go. Go listen to the motor. All right, so we'll go for a test drive now. Okay, so in the car here, there's your left turn signal, your right turn signal, wipers. Right now I don't have any wiper arms, but when you do turn it on, the wiper, you see the little right there, it does work. I ordered the wiper arms and blades for that, so that does function. Horn right now is not working, but I will fix that as well. Just wanted to show you. This is a factory AM radio. It's not working, and you can install whatever you like there. The lighter switch, or should I say the lighter cigarette lighter is on order, and heat and defrost does function. Okay, this is a factory air conditioned car, and I will have my mechanic go over the air conditioning to get that going. Okay, so now we'll go for a little test drive. Okay. Car's nice and smooth. I mean, there's no, as you can hear, weird noises coming from the car when you hit a bump or anything. The 350 motor runs like a top, honestly. It's tuned perfectly. It's got a 4-barrel Edelbrok Carburator, automatic turbo, 350 trans with a 10-bolt rear end in it. It does have a mild cam in the motor, and it does have a mild shift kit in the transmission. And the steering ratio, power steering, it's awesome on the car. Really nice driver, guys. Overheating problems. Right now it's 95 or 91 degrees here in Addison, Illinois. It does chirp the tires in second gear. But if you guys wanted me to add you a stereo system in the car, I can. It's definitely going to be an extra charge. But I can add a Bluetooth system in the car with a couple 6x9 speakers if you desire, or you can, get it done yourself, either way. But besides that, that's the only thing that I would do is I like having my tunes when I'm driving to a car show or cruising around. to get on the expressway so I can get about 70 miles an hour and show you guys how nice this thing rides at all, you know, speeds. Most of my cars are sold online, so I make sure that I take 100 photos and do a really nice walk around video for you guys and a test drive video as well. We do deliver across the country, which we'll talk about in a little while here. Suspension feels nice on the car. Handling is really, really, really good, as you can see. I mean, I'm doing this at 50 miles an hour. And there's no tires squeaking or anything. I mean, the car's just awesome, guys. It is awesome. All right, we're doing 70 miles an hour right now, and the car just goes straight as an arrow. It doesn't shimmy left or right at all. Very impressive. You got 40 pounds of oil pressure in the motor, so that's excellent. That was a really nice drive on the freeway. Fuel gauge works, but the little clock does not work. I mean, if you wanted to replace it, you can. They sell them on eBay for like 60 bucks. So all my cars get checked out by my mechanic before anything ships out to the buyers or gets picked up. Make sure all the oil is proper, all the fluids are proper in the car, and everything's working, you know, all the important stuff. But we went over that already. So very, very clean interior, nice door panels like I showed you earlier. Carpet is nice on the car. Clean. Sun visors are factory original. Anybody that buys this Chevelle is going to be very happy. First person to test drive it, if you guys are close by, is buying the car, guaranteed. Bring your checkbook. I mean, it's that nice. It really is. So for delivery, text me, call me. I'll leave my phone number at the end of this, your zip code, and I'll get you a quote to get it delivered to your doorstep. As far as financing is concerned, it's very simple. if you have good credits, you'll get a good rate. If you don't want to put any money down, you don't have to, but the more you put down, the less your payment's going to be. The term goes up to 84 months. There's no prepayment penalty, but you got to have good credit. I would say 650 and up. Otherwise, besides that, it might be a little bit harder if you have a less of a 650 to get you approved, but you never know. Maybe you got strong income and stuff like that, low debt. So that would work out, give you the to finance the car. So my phone number is area code 847-848-1850. If you guys have any questions, you can call me and text me anytime. Okay. Really appreciate you guys taking your time out and spending your time on my walk around and my test drive video. Like I said, I love doing lengthy videos because most of my cars just are sold over the internet. So I want to make sure you guys know what you're getting. And there's no surprises. So we're going to pull back up to the shop here. I do have other classics available that you can look at my website at mgmclassiccars.com. Go to the website, get a cup of coffee. There's a lot to see. There's a lot of videos, a lot of photos for you guys to check out. Like I said, again, my website is mgmclassiccars.com. There's a lot of stuff for you guys to check out. Got a lot of stuff available, so give me a call, text me, call me. My number is 847-848-1850. Thank you.